Investors are unsure of which companies to gamble on as a potential recession and a protracted bear market continue. Due to inflation, rising interest rates, and geopolitical upheaval, the expert community anticipates volatility to persist in the foreseeable future. It goes without saying that it's crucial to monitor the market carefully and form your own opinions. You should be on the lookout for investment possibilities across a variety of industries to identify the greatest ones for you and steer clear of costly errors. If you want to purchase shares in 2022, here are the top 10 best stock to buy in 2022. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 1. Lithia Motors Inc. LAD. American car retailer Lithia Motors has 282 locations and distributes merchandise on several websites. Lithia conducts car maintenance and repair services, sells components under the brands Driveway and Green Cars, and sells new and used domestic, foreign, and luxury automobiles as well as associated financial, warranty, and insurance services. The business caters to both consumers and those priced out of the auto market who must fix their current vehicles rather than buying new ones. A stock that pays dividends is Lithia. With a price-earnings ratio of 4.47 as of October 26 for LAD, it is likewise a bargain stock. It is rated a buy by analysts. Number 2. Travel Plus Leisure Co. TNL. Travel Plus Leisure, formerly known as Wyndham Destinations, is a provider of hospitality-related goods and services that runs segments for vacation ownership, travel, and membership both domestically and abroad. The firm profited from a resurgence in travel in the first half of 2022, as seen by a 15.7% increase in Q2 sales and profitability that above expectations. The company has a strong buy rating from analysts, and their consensus price objective is $67.29. Number 3. Mueller Industries Inc. MLI. In North America, the UK, the Middle East, and China, Mueller Industries produces and markets plastics, brass, copper, and aluminium. In 1917, the Tennessee-based business was established. Among its business segments are plumbing, industrial metals, and environment. The Mueller shares have been comparatively constant thanks to a successful second quarter, and analysts believe the mid- and long-term outlooks are favorable. Given its low 5.49 P/E ratio, they grade the company as a strong buy, and claim that it is undervalued. Number 4. First Bancorp, FBP. The parent company for First Bank Puerto Rico, which offers services to retail, business, and institutional customers, is First Bancorp. The company's recent quarterly and yearly sales and profits performance have been strong, and its stock now yields a dividend of 3.09%. FBP is rated buy by analysts. Their average target price is $17.80. Number 5. HERC Holdings Inc. HRI. Aerial equipment, air compressors, compaction, earthmoving, and material handling equipment, trucks, trailers, and lighting equipment are all rented out by Florida-based equipment provider HERC Holdings. In addition, it offers labor, training, equipment maintenance, and repairs. For investors who purchase HRI today and keep the stock for 5 years, Yahoo Finance estimates a 34% yearly return. The company has given a strong buy rating by analysts, and their consensus price objective is $156.13. High-performing stocks. Analysts and investors should consider a stock's potential and capacity to raise owners' wealth over an approximated time period when evaluating its performance. The best-performing stocks for 2022 are listed here for your further observation. Number 6. Devon Energy Corp. DVN. The great financial performance, capital return for shareholders, and geopolitical circumstances that drove up energy stock prices all contributed to this company's stock's strong success. Devon said in June that it had reached a deal to buy Rimrock oil and gas leasehold stake and other assets. According to a July 21 news release, the transaction, which was completed in mid-July, is anticipated to add over 100 undrilled inventory sites and improve Devon's Williston Basin output by an average of 20,000 barrels of oil per day over the next year. Since the year's beginning, Devon's stock has up 74.90%, and it has increased 92.61% year over year. Number 7. Marathon Oil Corp. MRO. Since the start of the year, shares of MRO have increased more than 80%, while the Dow and S&P 500 have declined significantly. Undoubtedly, The fallout from Russia's invasion of Ukraine contributed to share prices reaching just below their 52-week high before declining somewhat in June. The short-term energy forecast is rather unclear, according to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, but experts still advocate buying MRO quality stocks. Value investors often go for stocks that are selling for less than their actual value. The method involves comparing key financial indicators to the stock price in the hopes that the price would climb in tandem with the company's value. The finest bargain stocks for 2022 are listed below. Number 8. Qualcomm Inc. QCOM. The market leader for 5G chipsets and a significant participant in the wireless sector is Qualcomm. Qualcomm is a blue-chip company with a 10-year history of rising dividends. Experts believe it is now extremely undervalued, selling at 10.47 times earnings, despite the fact that competition is biting at its heels. In the company's Q3 2022 report, profitability increased by 53% while sales increased by 37% year-over-year, according to CNBC. QCOM, which was trading at $119 as of October 26 compared to its typical target price of $178.80, is a good deal. Number 9. Berkshire Hathaway Inc. BRKA. It would seem illogical that the most expensive stock in the world might be a good deal, but think about this. One of the most successful value investors in the world leads Berkshire Hathaway, a holding company for companies that represent dozens of brands in sectors as varied as insurance, freight rail transportation, utilities, furniture, confections, batteries, and recreational vehicles, to mention a few. Since the start of the year, shares of Berkshire Hathaway have decreased by around 3%. However, Seeking Alpha stated that the corporation has enough of cash on hand that it may use to devour growth stocks and repurchase further shares. For patient investors, diversified profits, competent management, and a recent spending binge, which, according to Barron's, investors adore, augur well. Among the purchases made during that spending frenzy were a contract to buy the insurance provider Allegheny and a stake in Occidental Petroleum. According to CNBC, Berkshire had a 20.2% investment in Occidental Petroleum as of August this year. Of course, the majority will have to purchase fractional shares of the company, which as of October 26 is trading at around $435,000, are low-cost Class B shares of Berkshire Hathaway. Number 10. Micron Technology Inc. MU. Although Micron stock has suffered over the past year, it still meets many criteria for a value stock, including a low price-earnings ratio, a high earnings per growth outlook for the coming year through the following 5 years, and an average target price that is almost 20% higher than the current price. The stock is being followed by 31 analysts, and their average recommendation is to buy. In a range from $45 to $100, their average price estimate is $65.92. For a while, according to the Street's Stephen Sarge Guilfoyle, demand for what Micron produces will outstrip supply and/or capacity. Guilfoyle said that Micron's balance sheet gets great scores on the Sarge test and is as clean as a whistle. Because of this, several experts believe Micron is oversold and set for significant gains. This is all for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to express your ideas in the comment area below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.